Hello everyone, welcome to KhanPedia. Today's video I will try to explain how we can check if our degree is recognized in Germany or not. For example, if you complete your degree from your hometown, for example, Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, China, Europe, or American countries, South America, and so on, if you complete your master, bachelor degree, or PhD degree from your hometown, and you want to move to Germany for a job, to apply for chancellor card, to apply for master degree, for bachelor degree, and so on. So first of all, you need to check if your degree is recognized in Germany or not. So simply, you have to open your Google Chrome and open your Google. Just write here Anabin. After open, click on open your first link. After click on first link, simply you have two options: university degrees and institution. You can go to simply you have to go and click on institutions. After click on institution, you can click on seek. Now you can select your country. For example, I can select my country here. For example, I completed my bachelor degree from my hometown. For example, I select Pakistan and I confirm country selection. I can select, for example, I can select city from which city I completed my bachelor, right? For example, I will say university from Jamshoro. And as you can see, there are lists of universities that are acceptable in Germany, like their degrees are acceptable. But you have to click on plus sign and see which departments are degrees or bachelor degree are acceptable in Germany. Because LUMS is a big university, there are several departments, but as you can see, Bachelor of Science in Biomedical Engineering, only one degree is acceptable in Germany, and maybe the other courses are not. So for this course, you don't need to recognize. Simply, if you want to, if you have this degree from LUMS, simply you can print, you can click on press, and you simply click on this statement, this like a report. And if you want to apply for a PhD, for example, you complete bachelor from your hometown, you want to apply for master, for example, you find job in Germany and they ask for this report, or if you want to apply for visa, for job seeking visa, for chancellor card, and so on, simply you need this report. And for example, I will say okay, now is okay. Now for example, in other case, if you complete your degree from Mehran Institute of Technology, simply click on this. So as you can see, there are only two departments, their degree are recognized in Germany. But the problem is that there are several departments for like software engineering, civil engineering. So as you can see, you only find two degrees here. And as you can see, the status is H+. It means that these two degrees are acceptable in Germany. For other degree, you simply need to verify your degree, right? For simply, if I complete my degree from this department, I will click on this and I will simply click on print, and I will just take this paper if I want to apply for admission, if I want to apply for degree, for visa and job and so on, I can use this. But if your course is not available here or your degree is not available here, you need to verify your degree. How you will verify your degree? You can verify your degree using ZAB portal. ZAB is an online portal. If your degree is not available here, if your bachelor master degree is not available here, you need to verify your degree using ZAB. This is also online portal. You can verify your all documents and you can get like recognized certificate from ZAB, and you can use this certificate. But if your degree is available here, you don't need to do anything, just print this and go for it. So it's quite simple video for you, and if you have any question, you can ask in comment. And thanks for watching my video. If you like my content, give a thumbs up. Thank you.